Welcome to Nairobi National Park, a unique place where the wild things roam right next to a bustling city. Imagine lions lounging near skyscrapers. This isn't a fantasy, it's Nairobi, the only national park inside a capital city. A true urban safari adventure. Get ready for an unforgettable experience. This park is a haven for wildlife. A diverse ecosystem thrives here. From lions to rhinos, leopards to buffaloes, you'll see it all, except elephants. They don't reside here, but the rest of this big five awaits, plus countless other species. Prepare to be amazed. The park is easily accessible, just a short hop from the city center. 6 miles to be exact. Public transport is readily available. Hop on a matatu, a local minibus, a true Kenyan experience, or grab a taxi if you prefer a private ride. The park headquarters is in Langata, close to everything you need. Getting there is a breeze. The park is well connected. You can even drive yourself if you have a vehicle. Just follow the signs. Or join an organized tour for a hassle-free experience. Timing is everything, especially on safari. The dry season is prime time from June to September. Wildlife is easier to spot as they gather around watering holes. A spectacle to behold, transportation is key. Plan your journey. Matatus are a budget-friendly option, giving you a taste of local life. Taxis offer more comfort, while private vehicles give you freedom. Guided tours provide expertise. Accommodation matters. Choose wisely. Budget-friendly options around near the park. For convenience, hostels, guest houses like Dorchester in Nairobi, and campsites. Pick your place to stay and rest easy. Prepare for your adventure. Pack accordingly. Water is essential. Stay hydrated. Sunscreen is crucial to protect your skin. A hat and sunglasses to shield your eyes. Early mornings are magical. The best time for wildlife viewing. Animals are most active before the heat sets in. Catch them in their element. A truly special experience. Late afternoons offer another chance. As the day cools down, wildlife emerges again, seeking food and water. Another prime viewing opportunity. Don't miss it. A guide can enhance your experience. Their expertise is invaluable. They know the park's secrets, where to find the animals, and how to approach them safely. Essential equipment is a must. Binoculars bring the wildlife closer, capturing every detail. A camera preserves your memories. Snap those incredible shots. Section 4, Beyond the Safari Vehicle, exploring Nairobi National Park on foot. Game drives are a classic safari experience. Hop in a vehicle and traverse the park, spotting wildlife along the way. It's a thrilling adventure. You can choose a self-drive or a guided tour, but walking safaris offer a different perspective. Explore on foot and get closer to nature. Experience the park's flora and fauna in a unique and immersive way. The Nairobi Safari Walk is a must-do. It's a raised boardwalk through a section of the park, offering close encounters with wildlife and educational exhibits. Cultural and educational visits enrich your trip too. The David Sheldrick Wildlife Trust rescues and rehabilitates orphaned elephants. Section 5, Essential Know-how, making the most of your Nairobi adventure. Park hours are crucial. The park welcomes visitors daily from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Plan your visit to catch the early morning magic. Maximize your experience by arriving early and staying until closing. Entry fees are required, so check the latest rates online before your trip. Your fees support vital conservation efforts, making every shilling count. Safety is key. Remain in your vehicle during game drives unless in designated areas for your safety. Respect the wildlife and their habitat. Adhere to park rules. Pack essentials like water, sunscreen, a hat and sunglasses. Enjoyed the video? Like, subscribe and hit the bell for more travel tips. Share in the comments what's in your pack. Thanks for watching.